When the camera has connected and it's in the app, you can view the Wi-Fi. In this case, it's about a medium strength. It's probably adequate for it, but if you can increase your Wi-Fi signal strength in any way, it's best to take care of that. Next, go into the settings for the camera. And you are going to go down to Set. You'll probably want notifications on this camera, so you're going to click on Allow Alarm Notifications. Enable Report Snapshot. That gives you a picture in the message whenever an event has been triggered. Click on Allow Device Alarms. When you click on Allow App Notifications, it's going to ask for your permissions. Click Allow. Turn on the permission for your phone to receive notifications. Without this, you will not get notifications on your phone through the form of a push notification, which are the little blobs that come down when you receive a notification. Then you're going to go back. Re-click on Allow App Notifications. Now you can pick your notification interval. If you'd like to schedule the amount of when you're going to receive the notifications, the times for that, you can click on the notification schedule. You can enable that if you would like. Now you're going to go back. We're going to make sure video call notifications are enabled. This allows for when the doorbell button is pressed that you receive a notification that you can answer and talk through on your phone. Next, we're going to set up the alarm detection. So you'll click on Alarm Detection. Click on Motion Detection. Ultra mode is the mode that you'll most likely want to use. It allows for the use of the AI algorithm, which will detect pedestrians. Approximately 3 meters out is the maximum distance this camera will detect. You have sensitivity levels, low, medium, and high. This is how confident the camera is in the motion detection of a pedestrian. If you pick low sensitivity, the camera is very confident that it is a pedestrian. If you pick the high sensitivity, it's not as confident. And medium is generally where we recommend you start. Now we're going to set up the detection area. You'll turn your phone sideways. Start off by deleting the original box because the original box only has 4 points. When you add a new one, it gives you 6 points. You'll drag those points out to your property lines. Unless you want to monitor some other area, set that area. Confirm your selection. Now you're going to go back. You can do package detection if you'd like to turn it on or off. The camera is set up that if a package is dropped off on your porch, it will talk to whoever walks up to the porch after that, asking them if they need help to let them know they're being monitored by video. Now you can go back and you can find Chime settings. Click on Chime settings. If you have a mechanical doorbell, then you can hit Add Chime. Select Mechanical Chime for your mechanical doorbell. If you do not have a doorbell, you can purchase a wireless chime kit. If you purchase the wireless chime kit, you will select the other option. In this case, we install the mechanical chime. So we're going to enable the mechanical chime. If you're not using a chime box and you do not have a wireless chime and you're going to rely on your phone to do the notification of somebody ringing the doorbell, do not do this part at all. Again, we're going to click next for mechanical chime. And we're going to click add. Now the mechanical chime has been added. So go back from the chime settings. You've set up your manual doorbell chime to come out of your mechanical box. Scroll up to the top, select your doorbell. You'll want to check if there is an upgrade for this camera. You're going to click upgrade. You'll agree for the upgrade. This upgrade will take approximately 5 minutes. You'll wait until you get upgrade successful. You can go back till you get to the main screen.